To correct the hormonal imbalance, these yogasanas will definitely benefit. An imbalance in hormones can lead to disorders like obesity, PCOS and thyroid. A variety of treatments are available to correct this imbalance of hormones, although they can be quite expensive. Let us know about some such yogasanas through which it can help in correcting the imbalance of hormones in the body. This yogasana can cure internal and external health problems of the body. Balance of hormones is considered very important for good health of the body. Hormones play an important role in maintaining our body's energy, metabolism, mood, and digestion, as well as regulating the body's growth and reproductive functions. However, health experts say that due to poor lifestyle habits and poor eating habits, most people become victims of hormonal imbalance. Junction along with relaxing the stomach and back, this yoga practice corrects the imbalance of hormones in the body. To do this exercise, first of all lie down on your stomach and keep your palm under your shoulder. While inhaling, lift the front part of the body up. Stay in this position for 10 to 20 seconds. Then while exhaling, come back to normal position. This exercise can be done 10 to 15 times regularly. Inhale and exhale. To do this yoga, first of all sit on the mat in a comfortable position. Keeping your hands in the posture of the yoga posture, slowly inhale the breath. When you inhale, the body expands, and when you exhale it contracts. These deep breathing yogasanas can be helpful in correcting the imbalance of hormones along with strengthening the body from inside. Do this exercise daily for 5 to 10 minutes. All breathing exercises are considered extremely beneficial for the body. Makarasana yoga practice is considered helpful in correcting hormonal imbalances along with relieving pain of the spine, waist and back. To do this yoga, first of all lie down on your stomach. Now raise your head and shoulders and rest the chin on the palms and the elbows on the ground. While inhaling, raise the forehead and exhale slowly. This exercise can be done 20 to 30 times. Cat pose, Majari Asana. To do this yoga posture, first of all, keeping the palms and knees on the yoga mat, raise the body and come to the table pose. Keep the gap between your feet and spread your fingers wide. Now inhale while looking up. Breathe out by bringing your chin to your chest. This yoga can be practiced 10 to 15 times regularly. This yoga asana is considered beneficial for many parts of the body.